Good morning, students. My name is Poonam Daswani. I hope you all are good and your family is doing great. Students, today we will start with the math lesson 2, my practice time 3. Today we will start with the math lesson 2. Name of the lesson is addition. Addition in that my practice time 3. In the previous lectures we finished with the my practice time 1 and my practice time 2. So today we will start with the my practice time 3. Students, I want you all to open your textbook and your math CW book. My practice time 3 is on page number 22. I want you all to open page 22. Question number 1 is add the following. We have to solve this question 1 in textbook as well as in the notebook. We will solve the sums in both textbook as well as in the notebook. The first question is add the following. A sum is 7,418. 7,418 plus 431. So when we add 8 plus 1 is 9, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, and as there is no number below 7, we consider it as 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. So the answer is 7,849. The B sum is for homework. Now we'll see the C sum. 1,321 plus 345. We add vertically. Vertically means first we add the numbers on the ones place, then on the tens place, and then on the hundreds place, then on the thousands place. So on the ones place is 1 plus 5. How much is 1 plus 5 is 6. Then we add numbers on the tens place. The numbers on the tens place is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Then we add the numbers on the hundreds place. 100 place is 3 plus 3, that is 6. And on the thousands place there is only 1. So 1 will directly write 1 because there is no number in the below column. So 1666. The answer is 1666. Now we move on to the E sum. The numbers on the E sum is 5,216 plus 3,252. Now what we do? We add the numbers on the ones place, the numbers on the tens place, then numbers on the hundreds place, and then numbers on the thousands place. 6 plus 2 is 8, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 2 is 4. Now in thousands place, in both the columns there are numbers. So there is 5 plus 3, that is 8. So the answer is 8,468. The F sum is for the homework. Now we'll solve these sums in the notebook also. So this is the way you have to solve in the notebook. I'll show you how to solve in the notebook. Students, this is the way how you will write in the notebook. First you will put today's date, that is 21/7/20. Then you will write my practice time 3. My practice time 3, question 1. You will write question 1, add the following. Add the following. Then what you will do? You will write thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, and you will draw the columns with the scale. You will leave one column here to carry forward the numbers, and we will add in the vertical way. That is the numbers on the ones place, the numbers on the tens place, and the numbers on the hundred place, then numbers on the thousands place. We add vertically in a standing line. So first the numbers on the ones place is 8 plus 1. So how many is 8 plus 1? We will count on the fingers. First take 8 fingers and 1 finger. When you count 8 plus 1 on your fingers, you get the answer 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we add the numbers on the tens place. We add the numbers on the tens place. How many is 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. When you count on your fingers, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we add the numbers on the hundreds place. The numbers on the hundred place is 4 plus 4, that is 8. When you count on your fingers, you get 8. Now we will add the number on the thousands place. Now we will add the numbers on the thousand place. Here is 7 and in the second column there is no number. So we consider it as 0. No number means 0. So 7 plus 0 is 7. When you add 7 plus 0, you get 7 because 0 means nothing. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 7,849. This is the way you get the answer. Now B1 is for homework. Now we will solve the C sum. What are the numbers on the C sum? Now what we will do? We will write the numbers on the C sum. The number on the C sum is 1321. The number on the C sum is 1321 plus, don't forget to put the sign, plus 345 plus 345. Now we add vertically. We add vertically. So what are the numbers on the thousands place, hundred place and tens place? What are the numbers on thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place? We add vertically. So numbers on the one place is 1 and 5. So we have to add 1 plus 5. So when we add 1 plus 5, how much is the answer? We get 6. When you count on your fingers 1 plus 5, you get 6. Now we add the numbers on the tens place. How much is the number on the tens place? 2 plus 4. When we add 2 plus 4, we get 6. When you count on your fingers, 2 plus 4 is 6. Then we add the numbers on the hundreds place. When we add the numbers on the hundred place, what are the numbers? 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is again 6. 6. Now what is the number on the thousands place? Only one number is there. There is no number in the second column. So 1 plus, we consider it as a 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. When we get the answer, what is the answer? 1666. 1666. Now D sum is for homework. We will solve the E sum. What is the number on the E sum? You have to draw the columns and you have to write thousands, hundred, tens and ones. In each column 1. Now the number on the first column is 5216. We will leave this first column. Why we leave this? Because to carry forward the numbers, to carry over or to borrow. We do not borrow in addition, but to carry forward the numbers. We leave one column. And don't forget to put the addition sign. Then the numbers in the second column is 3252. We add vertically, that is in the standing line. When we add the numbers on the ones place, what we get? The numbers on the one place is 6 plus 2. So how many 6 plus 2? 6 plus 2 is 8. When you count on your fingers, 6 plus 2 and 6 fingers and 2 fingers, you get 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we add the numbers in on the tens place. When we add the numbers on the tens place, what we get? What is the number on the tens place? 1 plus 5. So when we take one finger and 5 finger, what is the answer? We get 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Then we add the numbers on the hundred place. What is the number on the hundred place? 2 plus 2. When we add 2 plus 2, we get the number 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then we have the numbers in both the columns on thousand place. We have numbers in both the columns in thousand place. When we add 5 plus 3, what we get? We get the number 8. When we add 5 plus 3, we get 8. Count 5 and 3 on your fingers, you get the number 8. So the answer is 8468. What is the answer? 8468. Now, this is the way you have to solve the sums in the notebook. You can see the numbers in the notebook. You have to solve it in the same way. Now we move on to the next question. What is the next question? Arrange the following in columns and add. Arrange the following in columns. First we have to arrange the number in the columns and then we have to add. Now, as you can see in the textbook, there is no space to solve in the textbook. We will solve these sums directly in the notebook. We will solve these sums directly in the notebook. The first question is what we have done in the notebook as well as in the textbook. We finished it with the textbook, then we did the sums in the notebook. Now the second question is directly that we have to do in the notebook because there is no space in the textbook to solve. So this is the way you will write the question and you will solve the sums. Now I will show you how to arrange and how to solve the sums. See students, this is the way how you will write. You will write the question in the notebook, that is Math CW. You will write question 2. Arrange the following in columns and add. Arrange the following in columns and add. First you will copy the question from the textbook. Then you will write a sum. What you will do? You will write a sum. The numbers on the a sum is 2105. That is 2105 plus 1073. You will copy the question of a sum. You will copy the question of the a sum. Then what you will do? You will draw the boxes. You will draw the boxes. Then what you will write? You will write the numbers 1000, 100, tens, ones. Because when you read the number, there is 2000. So 1000. 1000 column will also come. 2105. There is nothing on the tens place because it is 0. So the first number is, when you read the first number, it is 2000. The number is 2105. This is the way you will arrange the numbers in the columns. 2105. So 2 will come in 1000 column, 1 will come in 100 column, 0 will come in 10 column and 5 will come in ones column. Then you will put the sign of addition. Don't forget to put the addition sign. Then what is the number? 1073. There is no number on the 100 place. So 1 will come under 1000 place, 0 will come in 100 place, 7 will come in tens place, and 3 will come under ones place. 1073. This is the way you are going to arrange the numbers in the columns. Now we add the numbers vertically. What we do, we add the numbers vertically, means first we will add the number on the ones place, then tens place, then 100 place, then 1000 place. So first we will add the numbers on the ones place, that is 5 plus 3. When we add 5 plus 3, how much you get? The number you get when you add 5 plus 3 on your fingers, you get the number 8. When you get 5 plus 3, you get the number 8. When you add 5 plus 3 on your fingers, you get the number 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now we add the numbers on the tens place. What we do, we add the numbers on the tens place. Now what is the number on the tens place? The number on the tens place is 0 plus 7. So 0 means nothing. When we add 0 plus 7, what we get? We get the number 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. Now what is the number on the 100 place? What are the numbers on the 100 place? The numbers on the 100 place is 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 0. 0 means nothing. 1 plus 0 is 1. When we add 1 plus 0, we get 1. Now we add the numbers on the thousands place. We add the numbers on the thousands place. Now the numbers on the thousands place is 2 plus 1. How many is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 3178. The answer is 3178. So you got the answer. You will write the answer here. Now the B sum is for homework. Now we will solve the C sum. What is the question on the C sum? The question on the C sum is, now there are 3 numbers to add. There are three columns. We will write the numbers in the 3 columns. That is 2124 plus 3140 plus 214. Now I'll show you how to write these numbers in the columns. What you will do, you will write the answer. Now you will draw the columns. This is the way how you will draw the columns. Now what we will do, first we will write the what are the places. What is the place value? That is 1000, 100, tens and ones. Thousands, 100, tens, ones. Now we will write the number on the first column. We will write the number on the first column. So what is the first number that we will write in the first column? The number is 2124. That we will write in the first column. Now 2000. So 2 will come under 1000 place. 2100. 1 will come under 100. 20. So 2 will come in tens place. And 4. So 4 will come under ones place. 2124. Now what is the another number? 3140. This number we will write in the next column. So we will write 3000. What is the number? 3140. So 3 will come under thousands column, 1 will come under hundreds column, 4 will come under tens column, and 0 will come under ones column. So we write in this way: ones, tens, 100,000. So this is 1000, 100, tens and ones, like ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now don't forget to put the addition sign. Don't forget to put the addition sign. Now there are only 3 numbers. How you say this number? 214. 200. So nothing will come under the thousand column. Direct we will write this 2 in 100 column, because we call this number 200. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. If you want, you can do the rough work this way. So this will come under hundreds column, 1 will come under tens column, and 4 will come under ones column. This is the way you are going to write the numbers. First you will arrange the numbers in the columns. Now our column is ready. So we will write the numbers on the ones column. First what we do? We will add the numbers in the ones place. Now as there are 3 numbers, we will add one by one. What is 4 plus 0? 0 means nothing. So 4 plus 0 is 4. When we add 4 plus 4, what we get? We get 8. So 4 plus 0 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 0 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. Then again 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we add the numbers on the tens place. We add the numbers on the tens place. Now 2 plus 4. How much is 2 plus 4? When you add 2 plus 4 on your fingers, you get the number 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now there is one more number. So 6 plus 1 is 7. When we add 2 plus 4 plus 1, we get 7. First we add 2 plus 4. The answer which we got 6, we will add with 1. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Now we add the number on the hundreds place. We add the number on the hundreds place. Now how many is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now the number on the third column is again 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. You will add 1 plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. You get the answer 4. Now in the thousands place there are only 2 numbers. There is no third number. So we will write it as 0. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and there is no number means 0. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer that we got is 5478. 5478. First we will arrange the numbers in the columns, then we will add and we get the answer. Now D sum is for homework. We move on to the E sum. What are the numbers on the E sum? 4621 plus 3121 plus 1151. Now what we will do? First we will draw the columns. So draw the columns. Students, you will draw the columns with the scale. Don't draw the columns with your hand. Otherwise you'll not get the straight lines. This is the way you draw the columns. Now we will write the places. What are the places? Like 1000, 100, tens and ones. Thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Now in the first column, what are the numbers on the first column? The number is 4621. You can also write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we will write 4621. The number that we got is 4621. Now the another number, we will write the another number for addition. What is the another number? 3121. So we will write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. The another number is 3121. So write 3121. Don't forget to put the addition sign. We always put the addition sign in the lowest box. The last number we put the addition sign. Here as we put in the after the one column, here we put after the two columns. Because here this is the last column, this is the answer one. Here there are three numbers, columns. So we put the addition sign in the lowest box. Here also addition sign in the lowest box. What is the last number now? The last number is 1151. So first you write the places, ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 1151. So 1 will come under 1000 column. Again 1 will come in 100 column. 5 will come under tens column and 1 will come under ones column. So now we got the numbers in the columns. First we arranged the columns. We arranged the number in the columns. Now we are going to add. We arranged the numbers in the columns. Now we are going to add. And you have to write the answer here. You will write the answer. This is the answer. So first we add the numbers on the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place and then thousands place. So what are the numbers on the ones place? That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the number we got is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Now we will add the number on the tens place. What is the number on the tens place? 2 plus 2 plus 5. We add 2 plus 2. How many is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we will add 5. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is how much? 4 plus 5 is 9. When you count on your fingers, you get 4 plus 5 is 9. We add 2 plus 2. We got the answer 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now we add 4 plus 5. We don't add 2 plus 4 plus 5. No. Because we already added 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now we add the numbers on the hundreds place. How much is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 is 7. Now we add 7 plus 1, that is 8. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now we have all the three numbers in the thousands column. Here we had only two numbers. Now here we have three numbers. 1, 2, 3. Now first what we will add? We will add 4 plus 3. How much is 4 plus 3? When you count on your fingers, 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now what is remaining? 1. 4 plus 3 we got 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8. So the answer we got is 8,893. 8,893. Now the F sum is for homework. Students, this is the way you have to solve the sums in your notebook, that is Math CW. This is the way you have to solve the answers. Now we move on to the question 3. What is question 3? Find the sum of the following. Sum means total. We have to find the total number. That is, we have to add. Now, the question 3 is given in this way. As we do not have the space in the textbook to solve, we will solve the sums in the notebook. So, I want you all to write the question in the notebook. Copy the question in the notebook in this way. Now we will solve the sum in the notebook. I'll show you how to solve. Students, this is the way how you will copy the question number 3 in your notebook, in your CW. Find the sum of the following. Find the sum of the following. You will copy the A sum, 5 thousands, 6 hundreds, 2 tens, 2 ones, and in between is and 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens, 6 ones. So how to solve the sum? First we will write the numbers. What is the number? 5,000 plus, because it is 5 thousands, plus 600 plus 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. 2 tens plus 2 ones means 2. And what is the number? And 2 thousands plus 300 plus 40 plus 6. Now what we will do? We will write it in the standard form. 5,622. And means we have to find the sum. And means we'll put a addition sign. And 2,346. 5,622 plus means and means sum. We have to put the addition sign. Sum means we have to find the total. 2,346. Now we will arrange it in the columns. So what are the columns we will make? 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now we will arrange these numbers in the columns. So what is this? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how we will write? 5,622. 5,622. Then what is the sign? addition sign. What we will do then? Then we will write the second number in the second column. So first we'll write the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 2346. 2 is on the thousand place, 3 is in the hundreds place, 4 is on the tens place and 6 is on the ones place. Now we got the numbers to add. From this we changed to convert it to this, from this to this. Now when we get these numbers, we arrange it in the columns. Now we got the proper numbers to add. Yes. Now first we add the numbers on the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousands place. What is the number on the ones place? 2 plus 6. What is the number on the ones place? 2 plus 6. When you count 2 plus 6, you get 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now we add the numbers on the tens place. What is the number on the tens place? 2 plus 4. The answer is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we add the numbers on the hundred place. What are the numbers on the hundred place? 6 plus 3. When we add 6 plus 3, we get the number 9. 6 plus 3, when you add on your fingers, you get 9. Now we add the number on the thousands place. What are the numbers on the thousands place? 5 plus 2. When we add 5 plus 2, we get 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we got the answer 7968. What is the answer we got? 7968. The sum is 7968. Sum means total. We have got 5600, 2 tens, 2 ones, and means we will put and first and then addition sign. 2 thousands, 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones. So when you solve, you get the answer in this way. B sum is for homework. Students, this is the way you have to write the answer. You have to write the answer in the end. The sum is 7968. You have to write the sum is 7968 because we are finding the sum, that is the total. So we will write the sum is 7968. Students, the B sum is for homework. Students, here we end with the My Practice Time 3. I hope you all have understood the sums and you have also known what is to be done in the homework. If you have any doubts or queries, you can mail it on my mail ID. Thank you for listening to the lecture. You have to do the sums in the same way as I have done. Thank you for listening to the lecture. Thank you, students. Thank you.